The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Dodgeville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard to hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Middleton, Verona, Mount Horeb, Cross Plains, Mazo, Maine, Black Earth, Blue Mounds, Pine Bluff, Mount Vernon, Marksville, and Paoli. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.